I didn't want to write a song, 'cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care. I don't, but you still hit my phone now. And maybe I'm moving on, and you think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you, she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. If I got lost away, until I feel today. Tell me honestly, would you still love me the same if I show you my flaws? And if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? The way you look that much ago, baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. And if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself.
Can you fix a broken heart that is tearing me apart? Didn't know that this could be so hard. Missing your warm embrace, angel smile on your face, remembering our happy days. How will I start the day when your love has gone away? Can you help me find a way? Since the day you went away, my life has gone astray. Can you help me find a way? I always hear my heart calling out your name. I feel within my heart crying out in vain. Would you tell me how to mend this pain, broken heart?
Mahal, pangako sa iyo, hindi magbabago. Ikaw lang ang iibigin ko. Kahit ikaw ay lumayo at masaktan ako, asahan na di maglalaho. Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang. Kung kaya't giliw dapat mong malaman. Minsan lang kitang iibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman. Bumalik ka sa buhay ko, kung pag-ibig mo'y maglaho, paano na kaya ang mundo? oras di ka makita, kung ika'y napakalayo na, may buhay ba kaya tong puso? Yan lang ang maaari natin sadyang matatanggap, habang ako'y may buhay. Mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa iniisip mo. Mga lumuluhang mata, kalungkutan na hindi matago-tago. Sa isang tingin nakala mo ay okay lang, nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Kung sa habang buhay isa lang ang sasabihin, ang pangalan mo ang sasabihin. Kung sa habang buhay isa lang ang natatanaw, ang iyong muka ang pagmamasdan. Kung isa lang ang aking pangarap, ang mahalin mo ako ang nais kong matupad. At kung sa habang buhay ikaw ang kapiling, wala nang kahit na ano pang nanaisin. Ikaw ang panaginip, laging nasa isip.
outside.